Look guys, I just really want to tell you something. Wetin I see this morning, na hustle me be go, but I want the go also. Because wetin God do for me this morning, na just something wey busy I no expect. You get me so? And see this media, so I use and tell some people say make them dey exercise patience, make them not always like they get angry easily. You get me so? Because this thing so na patience, na me get because my anger be want like just like push the guys away. You get me so? Then this morning so now as me come hustle also say me my work since then say me my work guys take on day when busy since corona start again and we can't lock shop for now. I know they go work, but now I can't get where me for go the hustle. You get me? So everybody know as the hustle go for here. You get me? Then as me come this morning now so I just fair man they do my things. You get me? So now these two boys small guys like let me say 18 years or 17 years now them be. You get me? They as they come this morning so now they come they like one can give me 10 cents. As they give me 10 cents, now you say now you see like take an normal thing. You get me so? Then what the company now be say me what if you go they like verse me now they come they interview me. You get me so now they come they interview me say me what be my name, say I can't tell them my name, say me which country I for come. Now I just tell them my country, you know. Come they let me know now say me wetin make me they do this kind of work, all this kind of stuff. The thing come they verse me say me wetin they do my mind now say me 10 cents when I can't give me now. Now I consider interview me put. You get me so? 10 cents when I give me now I come they ask me different questions. The thing come they like they parry me. You get me so? But still I can't control myself just like they answer them. Just tell them some kind of things say me like this. There are some kind of situation where you go there when busy. At least you must do something to get money to do some kind of things. You get me? So I can't just like they explain to them. Say. Now they say me whether they will give me if they give me job whether I go work. I say yes. Any kind of job I'll fit. Even the same in a big clear anything will fit say if you bring money I dey do am. You get me? So as long as you know you bad thing I dey put hand. Now you come they look me say me yes. And what come they like they won't verse me now we busy I want your turn say make them shift come on for where anything. Now tell me it's okay now they won't guy just tell me say they won't give me work. Say me now say me a month they will pay me 400 euro. Now me just like just smart because me won't just like tell them say make them shift because they disturb me for my no be 10 cents what they give me now no be they will come they like talk all this kind of rubbish for my ear. You get me? So I want you to tell them say me they shift. Say me because they don't they distract me from my hustle, you know. Then me I can just like respect, but me can just laugh, you know. Say me they say what me they laugh. Now I say 400 euro. Then me I can just like see and say me okay how many hours? 2 hours a day or now tell me say no if I come 7 o'clock I'll come on 6. The thing come like paro me say me these people they wetin dey worry these people these small children. You get me so? Then aboyo say yes say me like this say me na for me to just come dey clean their compound dey do their things dey clean their inside their house. Yes say me na wetin me go just dey do. The thing come dey paro me aboyo just like tell them say make dem shift. You get me so? Make dem shift because the thing dey vex me wetin dey talk now come dey vex me say me this people dey distract me. Then but me now can just like see follow up. Now I can explain to them say me no. This kind of work me I not fit do one because even my heart strength self see how much when it be. Now they can say me like this say me see as the matter they be. Now they can tell me say because me now be one me now be vex say me why these small boys come just like distract me from my things. You get me so? Then do last wetin come happen now as dem wan come comot na dem give me this paper so me I show now. Na dem give me this paper see wetin dem even write see wetin dem write for deal tiam. Then as me come gat to open am say me I come say that money dey inside. You get me so? Then money wey dey inside so na no be say me even like money when I expect God. You get me so? I no expect this kind money. You get me so? I'll show you now see me like this. See money when I see inside 500 euro load 500 euro no be say load 500 euro cash. You get me so? Don't be say me I no expect this money 500 1 2 3 4 5, 6. Then still now so they just take give me this money. Now as they just give me finish, man, they don't even like say me the thing come surprise me, tears won't come out from my eye. They tell me say like what they just tell me say me I should change, like say me make I change my mind, say me like this, say me this work, say me no be this work, no be work, you get me, so say me like this. The thing come just like surprise me, you know. Then this thing I mean I come dey imagine, say me God, say me this level I never really see this kind of level. The thing surprise me, tears come out from my eye, you know. Then this will just enter, they just move like that. They don't even thank you when I even say thank you. The thing come surprise me. What me see, like say me, what me call it like call the reason. I say me, I wish that anger when I won't just stay like that. They say me they move, may they not disturb me. I did my ground, may they not disturb me because of that tension where they give me before. I wish me use that anger just stay pursue them that time. Now this thing are for mission. You get me, so that means some people they now busy before they give you something. They must get some kind of skills where they won't confidently try how the kind of person when you be. Then get some kind of way when they want to try you. But my advice now to some people, may we just know how to see they respond to some people, no matter how they take come, but respond to them well, because we don't know as the end they won't be. You get me, so then even yesterday, so me promise person, I just like before I come out this morning, it's good to still give out. You get me, so you get one guy when they play Jetta for my timeline, I just come like and just promise and just write down for this me for this Jetta when they play, so for this music when they play, so for this song when they give us, so for a live video for Facebook, I even share them for Facebook. Say me, I don't spray you 10K, you know, because the guy in Nigeria there, I don't spray you 10K. Before I come out now, I go one side go do that 10K for him. Now whether I did this blessing will fall upon me, I don't know, my guy. I am really so excited. This thing shocked me this morning. I don't expect this kind of thing. I never seen it before. 500 euro loads, not be say like this. 500 euro cash. You get me, so 500 euro cash, not be buy say me this thing. I never see am. Wetin you just write say me deal tiano. Wetin that thing mean say me God loves you, you know. I'm really so shocked this morning. Now me I dey go house because no need of say me can't dey stress myself again. 1 week now your day house, you know, because at least I feel can't kill myself, brother, you know. This thing shocked me. I pray say me pocket when those guys for bring this money, it no go run dry, you know. They don't even reach 20 years. These small guys, small boys when they don't reach 20 years, you know. I just like so excited. I just like me, I dey confused this morning. This thing, he like I never seen it before, my brothers, you know. Just say me I still use this opportunity, still let I don't bring this kind of thing come online, all this kind of stuff. But it shocked me to still let people know say maybe they control our anger and maybe mad the way we take the response to some people, because sometimes some people when won't help you, they feel you one or two skills come, you know, get me, so come tempt you how you won't react, how your reaction be. I bet more they control our anger and some kind of things when we do, and no still know how to give out. Whether not the 10K when I give out to one stranger, I don't know that kind, I don't know that person, I don't know where, but me no say I do stage for come, because now being musician if they play online when I just promise her, I go do am for them this morning. More we know how to still give out, you know. I thank now just make I see drop this one.